Well, students, myself, Dr. Lalit Sharma, as you know that due to rise in corona cases, Punjabi University Patiala has decided to conduct your exams online. Right, guys? So, 2 days back, official notification has come on the Punjabi University Patiala website. So, in my today's video, I'm discuss with you the most important instruction which you have to keep in your mind. Not you have to keep in your mind. In fact, you have to follow all the instruction during your exams. Right, guys? So I request to all of you, you can note down, everything, and later on you can discuss with me. So I start my video with the instructions. Right, guys? So first of all, I just want to, discuss with you the date sheet, right? You know that you are going to, give the exams of MEd first semester, right? There would be the 4 exam: paper 1, philosophy of education; paper 2, psychology of learning and development; paper 3, educational study; and paper 4, introductions of educational research and statistics, right? As well, date sheet is concerned, it will come around 19th January, right? Well, today is 16. After 2 or 3 days, your date sheet would come, and the mode of examination is online, right, guys? You can see the time. Time would be 10 to 1:30, right? University has decided to conduct the exams in the 2 phases. One is morning shift and one is evening shift, right? But we have seen that last time, MEd exams conducted in the morning shift, so that we can expect that your time would be 10 to 1:30, right, guys? So now I start with the first instructions, right? These instructions I have extracted from the university notification, right? You can see these instructions on the website also of Punjabi University Patiala, right, guys? I start with the instructions. Number 1, first of all, your exam would start 19th onwards, right? All are requested to put your audio on mute because some disturbance is coming. So first of all, your exam would start after 19th, right? The mode of the paper would be online. It has already cleared. Official notification has come, right, guys? Number 3rd is the time would be 10 to 1:30 p.m. expected, because I have used the word expected because last time university conducted the exam in the morning shift, okay, right? But in the new notification, university has said that conducted the exam in the morning shift and the evening shift, but as well as B.Ed MEd exams are concerned, it would come in morning shift 10 to 1:30 p.m. right, guys? And guys, this is the most important thing, okay? See this line, it is divided into the 2 part. 10 to 1:30, how many hours? 11, 12, 1 and 1:30, 3.5 hours, right? It is divided into the 2 part, 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours and 1 hour. This is the important, okay? Please note this, okay? At end of the slide, I will tell you, okay, how it is, what is this bifurcation, right? Next, guys, you all are requested, you all are advised to touch with Punjabi University Patiala website on the daily basis, right? This is said by the university to all the students of the Punjabi University Patiala. I have mentioned the Punjabi University Patiala website. You can note it down. pupexaminations.ac.in, right? So that any changes, anything happens, you will come to know, right, guys? So you every day on the daily basis, you have to see this website because your exams are going on the online, right? From where you will get the instructions, you have to get the instructions from this site, right? Okay, next, MED questions paper. Okay, guys, you have to download the MED question paper on the day of your exam. Otherwise, you will get the MED questions paper through your WhatsApp group. Okay, by your concerned colleges, concerned department, concerned university, where you have taken the admission, right? If the time is, now you are aware that the time is 10 a.m. to 1:30, right? So around 10 a.m. yeah, 5 minutes before 10 a.m., right? You will get the question paper, right, guys? So I move to the next slide regarding your answer sheet. This is the most important things, okay? I request to all of you, you can note it down, okay? This is the important thing. Sometimes you forget, okay? So regarding answer sheet, all the students are instructed to use A4 size sheet, first of all, right? It means you have to write your answer by using the A4 size sheet only. Okay, it is only accepted. And the answer should be not more than 16 pages, right? Aapko, what you have to do, you have to fill only 16 sheets, and on the one side, for example, there is a one sheet, na? One sheet have two side, right? One sheet has two side, now one side and second side, okay? But you have to fill the 16 sheets on a one side, right? Not aage ya piche, front and back. It does not mean you have to fill front and back. What you have to do, you have to fill front side of 16 sheet, only one sided, right? Number second, on your answer sheet, means on the day of your exams, right? On the day of exam, your first exam, you should have a 16 sheets, okay? And on your computer screen, on your laptop, you will get the question paper, right? And on your answer sheet, you know what you have to write. First of all, you have to write your university roll number, which you will get soon by your concerned colleges, okay, where you have taken the admission. Second, you have to write name of paper, okay? What is your first paper? For example, your class is MED. So, what is your first paper? Philosophy of education. So you have to write philosophy of education. Third thing is paper code, okay? So guys, you have to remember, paper code is written on the question paper, right? When you will get the question paper na, through your WhatsApp group, through your college, yeah, on the website, so you will get the paper code written on the question paper, right? I think it is clear. And you have to write the date, okay? And this is the most important thing. When you will fill your 16 sheets, right? When you will write all the answers and you have to fill the 16 sheets, you have to do the signature on every page, right? You have to do the signature of every page, and end of the sheet means on the 16th sheet, end of the sheet, you have to give declaration by writing 2 lines, right? What would be the declaration? Declaration or consent, right? You have to write, this paper is written by me, right? You have to give self declaration and you have to sign, right, guys? So now, then you have to scan your answer sheet. You have to scan your answer sheet. You have to make the PDF file and send to the concerned college on the mail ID or on the WhatsApp group. Okay, you will come to soon. Okay, what would be the procedure adopted by the college, right, guys? So I think this thing has clear to you. Regarding the answer sheet, you have to use the 16 sheets, only 16 sheets, right? And on the one side only, right, guys? And you have to do the signature on all the sheet, and end of the sheet, you have to declare, you have to give consent, this paper is written by you, right? And you have to sign it. Okay. we move to the next instruction. These all instructions are available on the Punjabi University Patiala website, right? I have extracted instruction from there because there is a long instructions. Okay, the important points I have extracted and I have made a PPT for you, right? So next, the question paper. Yes, this is the important one. So guys, you all are advised to solve only 50% questions, right? Means you are aware that how the question paper would come, right? Question paper would come off in the 3 sections. You are aware. One is section A. Section A contains 4 questions. You have to attempt 2. And section B contains 4 questions. You have to attempt 2. And section C includes 10 short questions. And there is no choice. But here, due to the online, you have to keep in your mind what you have to do. You have to forget about the instructions, right guys? Forget about the instructions. The main thing you have to keep in your mind, you have to attempt only 50% questions, right? Forget about the instruction which was written on the question paper, Now you have to follow these new instructions. On the Punjabi University Patiala website, university has said that all the students are informed to attempt 50% questions. For example, we take the example of section A. Section A contains the 4 questions. Section B contains 4 questions, 4 or 4, 8. And section C, all the 10 questions, you can consider this is a one long questions. So there are total 9 questions. So when you do the 50% of the questions, so you have to attempt only 4 questions and avoid the 0.5, right? Because if in your question paper 9 question comes, so when we divide the 9 divided by 2, it comes 4.5, right? University is saying forget about, avoid the 0.5, right? You have to attempt only 4 questions. And another case, if the question comes 5, for example, it is only for your example, right? If the 5 question comes, so then 50% of the 5 question, 50% of the 5 question is 2.5. Forget about the 0.5. You have to attempt only 2 questions, right? I think it is clear to you, right? Means only you have to keep in your mind, you have to attempt 50% questions, nothing else, right? Okay, guys, the main things we have discussed about the questions paper. We have also discussed about the answer sheets. Now, there are some suggestions, some tips, okay, which you have to follow. First of all, you have to visit the Punjabi University Patiala website daily, right? Because now your mode of examination is online, so that you have to see your website daily. Second, please up to date your computer, laptop, mobile. Okay, it should be okay, and having the internet connections and power backup, right? So you have to follow this also. Your mobile, your computer, your laptop, whatever the device you will use for communicating with the college, university, it should be okay, and it should have an internet pack, right, before your exams, right? Next is take printout of the answer sheet. Okay, so guys, what is the meaning of that? The meaning of that is, before your question paper, before your date of exam, right, you will get the answer sheet by the college. Okay, you don't have to purchase by yourself answer sheets and other. You will get by your college, you will get from the department or the university, right? You will get one PDF of answer sheet, what you have to do, you have to take printout of that, right? You have to take printout, and after writing on the answers on the sheets, okay, you have to send to the on the same address where you have got, right? The next important point is that this is the most important, which I'm going to, discuss with you. Download scanner from any Play Store or App Store in your mobile, your laptop, right? Because you are aware that now you have to write the answers on the answer sheet, and you have to scan it after completing every 50% questions. Now you have to do the scan and you have to send. So in that case, you should have a good scanner in your mobile, right? Because you have to scan the 16 pages. Sometimes it has seen because, many scanners, after scanning 2, 3, 4 pages, right, it does not work again. So I'll advise to all of you, okay, so do the practice beforehand, before your final exams, because abhi date sheet didn't come, right? You have 4, 5, 6 days, in fact 7 days you have, right? So you can practice, you can write on the answer sheets, and 16 pages you can scan, right, with the same scanner which you have downloaded on your mobile or laptop, so that you would be confident beforehand. Because at the date of exams, there would be lot of cures and others, okay? So it would be better, download a good scanner which can scan 16 pages or more pages, so that you can scan and make PDF and send, right? And do practice on writing on the A4 sheets. Scan and make .pdf file for your practice before exam. So it is strictly, said by the university. All the students are advised, all the students are informed, do the practice beforehand. Writing on the sheets, scan it, and make the PDF file, because at the day of exams, okay, so so that you can easily, smoothly, you can give the exam on the day of exam, right? And visit the website daily for the new instructions or update. Okay, guys. Now we discuss the exams time. When I start my video, I told you that your time would be 10 to 1:30, and it is divided into the two part, which we will discuss later in the slide. Okay. So this thing is the important. The timings of your exam would be 10 to 1:30, which is divided into the two parts. One is 10 to 12:30 and 12:30 to 1:30, right? So what you have to do? So starting 10 to 12:30, yeah, means starting 2.5 hours, you have to write your answers on the sheets, right? Was 16 sheets, 50% questions you have to attempt, right? You have to write the answers in starting 2.5 hours, okay? And you have to see the time. When 12:30 comes, you have to stop writing, right? After 12:30 to 1:30, you have 1 hour. In a 1 hour, what you have to do? 1 hour, you have to see your paper. You have to numbering on your paper, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 16, numbering on your paper. You have to signature on every sheet. You have to give consent at end of the sheet. This paper is written by me. You have to, after that, you have to scan it, and you have to make a PDF file, and you have to send PDF file by your mail. So these all things you will get a 1 hour. Okay, it is lot of, okay, means these all things you can finish 15 to 20 minutes, but university have given you the extra time. You have got a ample amount of a time, 1 hour, right? Only just you have to numbering, and you have to scan and sending the PDF file, right? This is the most important, guys, because we have seen in the last year, many students, writing on the pages, and when they see the time already 1 o'clock, 1:30, right? so you don't get the time to scan and send in, right? So, you know, after the 1:30, please see the note. All are advised to send the mail up to the 1:30. After 1:30 p.m., you would be responsible by yourself, not sending the, you know, PDF file. So here, you know, I just want to say that stop writing on 12:30 immediately, right? And between the 12:30 to 1:30, 1 hour, you have to scan your file and send on the required email which was given by your college, department, yeah, university, right guys? So thank you so much for these instructions, and you always have to touch with the Punjabi University Patiala site for the new updates. Thank you so much guys.